How to download Blender on PC and laptop for free. First of all, open your web browser. It could be Google Chrome or any other web browser. So I'm just going to use Google Chrome for this video. And once you're inside your web browser, what you need to do is just basically type in Blender. And once you type it in, it will be this first link right over here. Just basically press on that. And once you press on it here, as you can see, you get to see the download option right over here, but you can see, if you don't see it, you can just press download right over here. And once you press on it, you'll be here. So here, it will tell you how much megabyte it is and everything. And you can select the versions of it too. So for me, it's going to be Windows, but like if you got any other Mac or like Linux or even Steam, you could just do that. So I'm just going to download it for Windows. And then just press download for Windows, and here, as you can see, it will ask you to like subscription and everything if you wanna, or you could just donate too. But yeah, you just gotta wait until it's downloaded. So here, as you can see, it will take about 7 minutes for me. So I'll be right back when the video's finished downloading. So here I'm back again, and my Blender is downloaded. So here, as you can see, so yeah, I just gotta press on this, and once I press on this, it will just show me the setup wizard. So I just gotta press next, and then just agree with the license terms and condition and everything. So you can read this if you want to, and then just press I accept, and then press next. Now you gotta choose where you wanna put Blender. So I'm just gonna browse, and yeah, C is definitely the option, and then just press next. Now it's gonna ask you for installation, just press install, and now it's gonna take a while to install. So it will depend on your Windows and hardware speed. So if it's faster, it will just do it in an instant. So you just gotta wait for a few seconds until it's completed. So yeah, let's just see how much time it will be completed. So it's gonna take some time to copy all the files and then the program. So here, as you can see, it is finished successfully. Once I press finish, I'll be able to see Blender right over here. So if I press on it, here, as you can see, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of preview on how Blender looks like. So yeah, if I press continue, and here, as you can see, so it's going to ask me what I'm going to do if, like, you know, and here, as you can see, this is what actually Blender looks like, and this is exactly how you can work on it and make stuff. So yeah, this is it on how you can download Blender on your laptop or PC for free. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, and that's it.